So we're here in Tampa Bay at the Grech RV experience. This is the first time that we're doing this experience, and this is the owner's rally, and I'm with Carolyn. Now, Carolyn, I noticed that you have a custom Grech RV here with the Doghouse Devils. We've got Trip, we've got Dax, and we've got Esri, and this is the Doxy Posse. Now, these are your travel companions. Forget about your husband. We won't even talk about him right now. We want to talk about you and your travel and the dogs. What is it like to be a Grech RV owner, and what is it like to be traveling the country with these amazing pups?
We have really enjoyed the Grech. We've had bigger motorhomes over the years, and this one, the flexibility and just being able to park it where you need to. You know, you don't have to take up 7 spaces at the local Walmart if you want to shop. This one, I'm not sure of the mileage, but it's been to Alaska, back and forth to California a couple times. We have had wonderful, wonderful support through Grech. I can't say enough about AJ and John Black and David Reagan, all of them. If you have an issue, they're on it. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how John Black does it without sleeping or gets any sleep, but it's been to off-road events. It's been to parking lot events. This has gone off-road, believe it or not, even though she's a street machine, she's been off-road. So we've not ever been able to go where we need to go. And we've not ever been able to get anything fixed from Grech that needed to be fixed.
So that seems to be, you know, as I'm talking to all the van lifers and owners around here, that seems to be the commonology, right? Is everybody's talking about how amazing ownership is in making sure that you're taken care of, you're serviced, you're not off the road for any longer than you have to be, because obviously, you know, you spend a good amount of money on, you know, this RV, and you want to be able to adventure and travel. Now tell me a little bit about, you said where you've been, where you've gone. How long have you been a Grech RV owner? How long have you had this RV?
I knew you were going to ask. I want to say 4 years.
Okay.
I may or may not be correct. It's a 21 chassis.
Okay. And then before you, I'll say, slim down to a much more compact, easier RV to manage in and out of spaces, like you said, Walmart, you would have to take up. What size did you come from in your previous RV?
We had a 40-footer.
Oh wow, that's a big difference.
Yep.
That's double.
Yep.
Double the
Exactly.
size.
I mean, it's like maintaining a house, you know. And at that point, you know, it was, no, we're never going to have another RV, yada, yada, yada. You know, they age out, they depreciate. And went to an RV show in Montana. We're from Cody, Wyoming. So we went to Billings and we saw this and we had
Love it first sight?
ordered it. Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. Love that. Love that.
Yep.
Is there anything that maybe a potential future customer of Grech RV should know from an owner like yourself that's owned a Grech RV for the last 4 years, what they should, you know, kind of take away or what they should consider when possibly considering a purchase like this?
I think they need to be prepared for the technology.
Okay.
My husband is the technician. He understands the battery systems and all of that. So if you are not prepared to take that on and learn it or understand it, you can still do it. You just need to be prepared to put in the time.
Sure.
And learn it, how it operates.
Which I think is normal for even any automotive vehicle, whether it's a car or a truck, you know. The technology is consistently changing these days. Everything's kind of getting automated. There's AI kind of being interjected into certain things like the, you know, the dash and things like that. So I think, yes, obviously with this, there are a few more bells and whistles that you need to learn.
Because of the house parts.
Right. But also having in the back of your mind, what you said at the beginning of our conversation was that knowing that, you know, the guys, AJ and John and the team have your back.
They do.
And we'll make sure that you're taken care of, which I think was
I
amazing.
think in one point, at one situation, they made the appointment for us. They found the dealer, and then once we got more into it and understood it, and we actually purchased the code reader, so we, you know, you learn as you go.
Sure.
And so we've taken care of it ourselves, but I would just be prepared for that.
Well, I want to thank you for the time. Thank you for taking the time away from the doggies, Doghouse Devils. Thank you so much for allowing me to steal your mama bear for a little bit. I want you to have an absolute blast throughout your whole entire week here. And if you need anything, just don't hesitate to let us know.
This is an amazing property and so far an amazing event.
Awesome.
But look.
I know. This is literally paradise.
I know.
Welcome to
It
Tampa
is.
Bay.
Thank you.
All right, let's get a hug.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.